Whether you are 200 kilometers from the Arctic Circle or in the burning deserts of Dubai. For us at GECE, your projects represent one thing more than anything else. Buildings worth living in harmony with people and their environment. With the duty of achieving this aim, we completely dedicate our knowledge and experience of facades, windows and doors to your projects, especially in consultation and collaboration with you and your colleagues. Because we know specific solutions do not appear out of their own. They appear in a space where people work together. True to our motto, connecting expertise, building solutions. For this reason, we cordially invite you to talk to us about your challenges and projects, in person, together and on site. Let's start here in Munich, be it minus or plus 40 degrees. Today it's already tomorrow for us, so that your project moves the world. We have opened this chapter with GECE Cockpit. With the applications for GECE Cockpit, GECE products can be conveniently visualized and operated via an interface, regardless of their location. Use the scene control to bring multiple devices to the desired state simultaneously with only one click. The adjustment options for individual alarms or events give you immediate information about product status changes. You decide whether you use GECE Cockpit as part of a building management system or as an independent system as an interface for automated GECE products. Maximum flexibility and safety. At the same time, enjoy full functionality on a PC, tablet or smartphone with GECE Cockpit. Easy Drive, now for thermally separated profiles too, and with a cover height of only 100 mm. The continued development of the reliable Easy Drive sliding door solution offers new advantages, especially for the demands of doors that are very large and wide. With the optional use of a double roller carriage, the leaf weight increases to up to 140 kilograms in combination with a new thermally separated profile. As a result, not only is the leaf area increased by almost 20%, the cover height is also reduced to 100 mm, for real eye-catchers in shop fronts, for instance. Like all GECE sliding door systems, Easy Drive can be flexibly integrated into BACnet networking solutions with GECE Cockpit. Multiple variants and flexibility. The new GECE wireless extension kit allows you to wirelessly connect the ceiling-mounted detectors and the manual trigger switch to the lintel-mounted detector on all GECE hold-open systems. It's easy to retrofit, because separate cables are no longer needed. This facilitates planning, especially in listed buildings. The long battery life of 5 years also ensures low maintenance costs and efforts. The wireless extension kit has already been awarded twice, at the German Design Awards and the Iconic Awards. You see, creating buildings that are in harmony with people and the environment is an amazing task. For this purpose, we are creating an efficient network on all relevant interfaces worldwide. This is especially reflected in our country-specific portfolios with project-related customized solutions to make your life and work safer and more convenient, even in the future. That is our way, connecting expertise, building solutions.